Hello, and welcome. I am Edwin, the digital avatar for Paraben's Electronic Evidence Examiner platform. I will be your guide as we explore the powerful and intuitive functions of E3. In this video we will explore the Linux operating system. To begin, we expand the Linux evidence image. In this example, we will begin our analysis at the etc directory. The Linux Standard Base Release file, or LSB release, is used to store Linux distribution-related information. In this example you can see the distribution is Linux Mint 21.1. Next we will move to the var directory, and view the syslog, or system log, file. This log contains a wide range of system-related messages, including kernel events, application logs, and user authentication attempts. It is a valuable source of information for understanding system behavior and identifying anomalies. Authentication logs, or authlog, record authentication-related activities, including login attempts, password changes, and user authentication failures. Suspicious login attempts or unauthorized access can be identified from these logs. The kernel log contains information about kernel-level events, hardware-related problems, and system crashes. This log can provide insights into hardware failures or vulnerabilities. Next, the package management log records package installations, updates, and removals. Unexpected changes in software can indicate compromised systems.